Hi, everyone. So the online resource tool that I decided to share with you guys is a virtual tour, specifically through the site uvisit.com. Now, this website has gives you the ability to virtually visit many different locations. I chose Machu Picchu just because I'm focusing on a single subject for Spanish. Felt it was a little appropriate for um, my focus here. So a lot of great features on this website. The tours can be self-paced or they can be guided. They have audio. Every single portion of the site has audio, and you can turn that on or you can turn it off. And the good thing about the audio is that it's also written out. So if you students want to read instead of listen to the description of the location, then they can do that as well. So quick tour of how to use it. You go on, you put in your location that you want to visit, and you just kind of start walking through. So you can use your mouse to browse through and move around in that specific location of the site. And because many tablets nowadays they have a gyroscope, students can take advantage of that and physically move their tablets to take a look at the location. I'll turn on the audio so you can hear it over on this next one. So as you can hear, the audio gives a pretty cool description about what they're looking at. Gives them a little bit of background as well, and they can toggle around. They can move around the site. There you can see again, it's a 360 view. Tons of things for students to explore. This one is a little bit more static. There are ones where you can actually walk down different hallways or walk down different portions of the site, and it's a whole lot of fun. It's a great way to engage students in something a little bit more than just viewing pictures or reading about these different cultural sites. That's all. Thank you.